So this is the main body, this is fixed cover, this is seat, this is handlebar, and this one front wheel bracket, this is rear wheel bracket, this is wheel cover, 4 of them, and this is front wheel stand tube. So in step 1, what we will do, we need to insert this one, insert front wheel stand tube into the square recess front wheel bracket. So we need to insert this one in front wheel bracket, so like this way. Press here, press and push is this one. This is done, step 1. Step 2, insert the main body to front wheel assembly, then insert handlebar. So then this one, yes, yeah, this side will go in front, this side will go in front. Now this part, yes, it comes here. Now step 3, insert this part, rear wheel, maybe this way. Yeah, we need to give some force. Yes. Now next step is insert the seat. So yes. Now finally the cover, wheel cover. Yes, this one, push this part, and finally this one. Yes, it's ready to use.